problem? That this can't kill you, that can kill you. Unfortunately, the attack on the farm is much more brutal, much more hard to deal with from the suburb, okay? Let's compare this to ISIS. So these people come to the farms before they are executing these innocent people. Torture got to be involved, cutting body part got to be involved, rapes women got to be involved. Also, they're isolated from law enforcement to come to help them, or security. It's really uncomfortable things, okay? The first things you will never do, don't.
People in town, they also get a knife in their face or a gun in their face, and they also get robbed.
You know, people want to be able to defend themselves, but they don't want to go the extreme to train. And that's a mistake, because you're going to think that you're going to perform under stress in reality, and you just won't be able to.
If I find myself in the situation with my wife and my kids there, I will be able to protect them. You know, they're the most important things for me, so I will protect them with everything that I have. My elbows are busted, both sides, my legs are busted.
Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Come on, where's the magazine? You're under fire, under fire, under fire.